Hello, everyone. And as you know, today is Friday. We've come back with another nugget from our beautiful mythology, Indian mythology. And we have been talking about the 5 elements of life, the Panch Mahabhutas, of which we have already spoken about the earth element, the fire, and the water. And today we are going to talk about the air element. We can live without food for maybe days, and even water, it's understood like people have lived without it for weeks together. But what about air? 5 minutes of no air and we are no more. And this is the value of the air element. This is how sensitive the air element is for us within our body. And we should know what causes the balance, the imbalance. How do we improve on it so that the quality of our life improves, the quality of our thoughts improve. And with me joined is, of course, Enna Goyal, who is the Media Marketing Solutionist. Enna, hi.
Hi.
And of course, my mother sitting very gracefully from Kolkata. Mama, hi.
Hello, Shilpi.
And today I'm going to give the platform to both these ladies because Mom is going to talk about the wisdom of air elements in Hindi and Enna is going to translate the same in English. So Mama, let me just start the screen share.
Yes.
Can you see the screen?
इन एक्शन में 5 महाभूतों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। पृथ्वी, जल, अग्नि और आकाश। इस बार का विषय है वायु तत्व। वायु तत्व में जो तरंगे हैं वो वायु तत्व है। वायु तत्व मनुष्य की जीवनी शक्ति है। वायु तत्व हृदय केंद्र से संबंधित है। वायु के देवता पवन देव हैं। दिमाग में जो थॉट्स आते हैं वो वायु तत्व के कारण आते हैं। क्वेश्चन ऑफ एयर एलिमेंट: चलना, मुड़ना, दौड़ना, फैलना और सिकुड़ना, ये वायु तत्व के 5 हिस्से हैं। सांस द्वारा पूरे शरीर में ऊर्जा तरंगों का प्रवाह होता है। वायु शरीर में स्थित है। इनको प्राण वायु भी कहा जाता है। शरीर में मुख्य 5 प्राण हैं। उदान वायु, ये कंठ से चेहरे के बीच में स्थित है। ये चेहरे के भावों और वाणियों को नियंत्रित करती है। प्राण वायु, ये कंठ से छाती के बीच में स्थित है। समान वायु, ये हृदय से नाभि के बीच में स्थित है। अपान वायु, ये नाभि से प्यूबिक एरिया तक के अंगों को प्रभावित करती है। और व्यान वायु पूरे शरीर में फैली हुई है और पोषक तत्वों को भिन्न-भिन्न अंगों में वितरित करती है। क्वालिटीज ऑफ एयर: जिस वातावरण से गुजरती है उसका गुण धारण कर लेती है। जैसे आग में गर्म, पेड़ पौधे और पहाड़ में ठंडी। इफेक्ट्स ऑफ एयर एलिमेंट ऑन आवर बॉडी: वायु का प्रभाव शरीर पर होता है जो मनुष्य को स्ट्रॉन्ग और हेल्दी बनाता है। इफेक्ट्स ऑफ एयर एलिमेंट ऑन आवर माइंड: ऐसा मनुष्य उदारचित्त होने के कारण दूसरे से सहानुभूति रखता है और निस्वार्थ भाव से सेवा में लगा रहता है। वह खुद भी प्रेरणा लेता है और दूसरों को भी प्रेरित करता है। अतः वह अन्य मनुष्यों को से संबंध रखता है और सबको स्वीकारता भी है। इम्बैलेंस ऑफ इफेक्ट्स ऑफ इम्बैलेंस ऑफ एयर एलिमेंट: इम्बैलेंस व्यक्ति गुस्सैल स्वभाव का होने के कारण तरह तरह के दिमाग में विचार आते हैं और कंफ्यूज रहता है। शीघ्र निर्णय लेने में असमर्थ रहता है और मन और विचार में युद्ध चलता रहता है। Why it is imbalance? वायु का शरीर में असंतुलन होने का कारण है बैकबोन को सीधा नहीं रखना अर्थात झुककर बैठना, सांस लेने का गलत ढंग, घर में रहने की आदत, जहाँ हम रहते हैं वहाँ शुद्ध हवा का प्रवेश नहीं होना। हाउ टू बैलेंस इट? वायु स्नान के लिए आकाश के नीचे खुली हवा में रहना। वायु का संतुलन बना रहे इसलिए प्राणायाम करना बहुत जरूरी है और बगीचे में टहलने की आदत भी होना चाहिए। Now Anna, you please translate it English.
Thank you so much.
Anna, you have to wait a bit before I just go back. And just hold on. I'll tell you when to go ahead. All right. All right. Anna, the stage is all yours.
Thank you. We have been discussing the 5 elements. These include earth, water, fire, space, and the element which we're going to talk about this time, air. The vibration within air is the air element. Air represents the movement of our breath. The god of the air element is Lord Pavan. The thoughts we get is due to this element. The air element is present in our heart chakra. Bifurcation. The air element is divided into 5 parts, namely movement, flexibility, speed, expand, and contract or shrink. Pran. There are 5 prans in our body. The Udan Vayu is present in our throat and face. It helps us swallow food and helps our expressions and voice stay balanced. The Pran Vayu flows from top to bottom. It is present from the throat to the heart. It helps in balancing and regulating the respiratory system. The Saman Vayu is present from the heart to the navel. It provides strength and nutrition to the organs in this area, which keeps them healthy. The Apan Vayu flows from top to bottom too. It is present from the navel to the pubic area. It influences the organs in this area. The Bayan Vayu flows through the entire body. It provides food and nutrition to all the organs. Qualities of the air element. Air is very adaptable. So when you go to a hot place, there is hot air. And when you go to a cold place, there is a very cool breeze. Effect of the air element on our body. A good balance of air element in our body makes us strong and healthy. The effect of the air element on our mind. It makes a person generous, empathetic, selfless, motivates everyone to do better and reach their full potential. Helps people connect with everyone easily and is adaptable due to flexibility. So excess or lack of the air element causes anxiety, makes a person indecisive, and has conflict of the mind. Why does it get imbalanced? A few reasons that the air element can get imbalanced is due to slouching, incorrect breathing, staying indoors and not having any fresh air, and no proper ventilation. How to balance this element? Just like sunbathing, air bathing can be done by standing in a windy and open area. Do the yoga pose pranayam, which helps in taking deep breaths, and walking outdoors in parks to get fresh air. Ma'am, could you please talk about the mantra and mudra? Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anna, and thank you so much, Mom, for your lovely wisdom. But let me share that, and if you want to balance it, let us give you a practical tip. And the tip is that you need to chant the mantra Yam, as well as you need to make a certain mudra so that this is the way it is. You know, your thumb touches the index finger and it tucks it in very well, and then very gently, if you feel your thoughts are getting very vibrant, or you're not being able to settle down in your mind, there's certain inactivity in you, what you need to do is sit in a quiet position with your lap folded, put your hands like this on your lap, and this presentation is going to be with you so you can refer it, and very, very quietly but with full feelings chant the mantra YUM for minimum 10 minutes, because that is how the vibration of the mantra will then start affecting the air element for the better, and you will feel more decisive and more powerful within. So with this, I'm sure you have understood how air element is so important for us, and what we need to do is keep on reminding ourselves that these are all foundational blocks. All the 5 elements are our foundational blocks of life. If we can strengthen it with whatever knowledge we have given, you can even go to Google and research more. You are going to have a powerful life, and when you have a powerful body and mind, then obviously any challenges that come to you can be easily solved. So with this, I would request each and everyone to share this video in your network, because these nuggets of wisdom are being lost, and we have to revive by discussing it further. And let us not get so energized with the materialistic world and leave the spiritual world, or the spiritual intelligence, I would say besides. So we need to balance both of them. And so Mom and so Anna, thank you so much for your hard work. Let me tell you, these 2 ladies are the backbone of all the Gita series, all the Gita in Action series that we have. So they discuss, they research, they make presentation. Anna makes a presentation, Mom does all the research work, and I just come and present it. All right. So with this very light note, because we're talking about air element, I would like to say bye to you and bye to my mother. Mom, bye.
Bye, Jyoti.
And bye, Anna.
Bye.
Take care. God bless. And we will see you next Friday. Thank you.
Okay.